Good morning, YouTube. As you can see, or as you can hear maybe also, I did swap the exhaust. I've got the CS Racing system on there now, full system of course. And yeah, sounds awesome idling. I have not been for a ride yet. Just warming her up. Sounds pretty racy, huh? Well, I can say that it's pretty loud, but nice sound. We'll see how loud as I go here. Too early to really tell whether this is just right or should I put the baffle in. I would rather run without, as I do have a booster plug on this bike, so I get another 6% enrichment. And that should compensate for this exhaust well enough without the baffle. The install was awkward because I didn't take the radiator off. And it's pretty tight in there, and I do hate working with the swivels for the sockets and extension, you know. It's so hard to keep it in line while you're trying to torque it or undo it. Yeah, so that was something that in hindsight, I kind of wish I had just bit the bullet and taken the radiator off. Do it the proper way, the way the service manual suggests. And I could have changed the coolant at the same time anyway, because probably it's about due for it. So that's the way I should have done it, but I didn't. So I would say, if you're gonna get an exhaust on a CB650F or CB650R or what have you, I would say drain the radiator. Just do it. You'll be glad you can just get at it free and easy, instead of spending an extra hour fiddling around and scraping your hands. Yeah, I like the sound. Sound is nice. At first, when I pulled away on my street, you know, because of the difference, I thought, oh my goodness, you know, I don't know about that. But now that I've been riding it a bit, yeah. Now, I'm not wearing earplugs, but my helmet is fitting pretty good, so of course it muffles some of that sound that people beside me in vehicles might hear, people on the sidewalk. So I have to keep that in mind. Well, I can see why people get addicted to the sound. Yeah, it's quite a difference. I had a full system exhaust on my CRF 250L, but that's in a totally different league of sound. And that exhaust was more annoying than anything. But this one, oh my goodness. With this inline 4, yeah, that's pretty juicy. I don't know how well you can hear this exhaust on video. But yeah, I can hear it nicely myself, and not too loud. Of course, I haven't really hammered on it yet. So I've been trying to feel where the power difference is in the RPM range. I was prepared for no difference at all, but there definitely is more punch, more pull for sure. And it seems to be anything after 4,000 RPM. So that's pretty good, considering I don't have the baffle in, so there's no extra back pressure. It's pretty free and open. So that's what I notice. Around 4,000 you definitely feel extra pull. And it continues, I haven't had it up high, but I've had it up to about, 7, something like that, it continues extra pull through that range anyway. So that's a pretty good range. That's quite a usable one to get the extra performance in. So I'm all for that. It's a bonus. I think I also notice a little smoother down low. Making a turn, for instance, and stuff like that. You know, you're at really, really low throttle, that type of thing. It seems so far to be a little less snatchy, the throttle. We'll see. I'll keep an eye on that. But so far, pluses. I'm sure there's a point where the noise is going to get to me. Maybe going up an incline, a fairly steep one, you know. More load on the engine. But it seems I can be quiet enough in town, you know, at times anyway. You know, choice of gear, you can go up a gear, be in a higher gear, and you're turning less RPM, and the noise is considerably less. So where you have to be a little bit more discreet, I guess you can do it. I'll have to be discreet when I'm alongside a cop car on the road, eh? So we can punch it a bit on these roads. Notice it's not popping at the exhaust much. A little bit there, but not a lot, considering full system, no baffle, and the pair system is still active. I think the booster plug helps with that for sure. It's got a little more kick to it. Let's have a little break here. So, first impressions, what do I think? I definitely like it. Performs good. No flat spots, no unexpected weakness down low or anything. And I love the sound. Time will tell whether or not I'm going to get irritated by it, but hey, we'll find out. So, let's be on our way. Yeah, definitely improved the performance, and most certainly improved the sound, don't you think? There's always sand around here. Wasn't too bad there today. Anyway, I think that's about it for this video. I just wanted to test the new exhaust. That was my first time riding with it, and I wanted to show it to you guys, so tell me what you think. And you guys, you ride safe, you have some fun, and I will hopefully see you on another one.